Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious fruit salad. First, select a variety of fresh, ripe fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, cantaloupe, and oranges. Make sure to wash all your produce thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Have your cutting board and a sharp, clean knife ready for the next steps. Now, it's time to prepare your fruits. Carefully cut larger items like melon and pineapple into bite-sized pieces, aiming for uniform sizes for easy eating. Remember to remove any seeds, pits, or tough rinds. Once all your fruits are prepped, gently combine them in a large mixing bowl, being careful not to bruise the softer varieties. To enhance the flavors, let's make a simple dressing. You can use the juice of 1 lemon or lime, mixed with 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey for a touch of sweetness. Pour this dressing over your fruit mixture and gently toss everything to ensure an even coating. Then, cover the bowl and chill your fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Your delicious fruit salad is now ready to be served. It makes a wonderful, refreshing side dish or a light dessert for any occasion. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fruit salad.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.